Hi, I'm Laura from Datacove, the team behind EARL. We're a group of data scientists who help people save time and money through smarter use of their data. Half the team codes in R, whereas I work in Python. But really, it just doesn't matter. We use the best tools that solve the problems for our clients. So that's exactly why, when we took over EARL, originally the enterprise application of the R language, we knew we had to open it up to Python and all of data science. Because the problems that we solve, they don't care what language we use. Last year, we were honoured to host Hadley Wickham, the leader of the Tidyverse team, and author of packages such as ggplot and dplyr. So this year, we are highlighting the power of Python and one of its most game-changing libraries, Pandas. We are thrilled to welcome Wes McKinney, the creator of Pandas, as well as Apache Arrow and Ibis, as a keynote speaker to EARL 2025. Wes created Pandas back in 2008 while working in finance, because Excel just wasn't cutting it, and R didn't fit his workflow. He wanted something fast, flexible, and built for that real-world messy data. So he built it. And now Pandas is one of the most widely used tools in the entire data science ecosystem. And just in case you haven't seen how beautiful Pandas can be, I'm here to show you. Welcome to Pretty Powerful Pandas, a mini-series where I'll walk you through the most useful, elegant lines of code in Pandas, whether you're just starting out or you want to level up your data game. Okay, so let's have a look at some data. So this is the generic Titanic data set that everyone kind of starts with. As you can see, we've got a lot of data here, and it's not exactly very easy to read. So that is where we are going to import Pandas as PD, and we're going to see how pretty we can make this data. So first of all, we're going to just define our data frame. It was pd.read CSV. And I'm just going to pull our data over. And here we go. How much prettier is that? So now we have kind of a snapshot of our data frame. We've got the top 5 and the bottom 5 rows. And I must say it is much easier now to understand. And it looks just like a spreadsheet, but let me tell you, it is much more powerful. If you didn't want to have this whole thing, you could just do pd.head and say you just wanted to look at the first 2 columns. If you wanted to see its shape, there we go. We got the dimensions, how many rows and how many columns of our data frame. We can even really quickly just have a little look at what information this data frame is giving us. So here's all our columns, how many non-nulls, and what type of data that we've got. And the last thing, we are going to have a little look at its statistical overview. And there you go. In 4 lines, in very, very quick succession, we were able to pull quite a lot of information off our data frame. And it all looks very nice and very manageable and very pretty. All because of Pandas.